to my YouTube channel. Today we are right here and we literally just found out there's a boat, but it's not a house. There's just a random boat, and today we are gonna be living in this boat for 24 hours.
Not 24 hours.
Every day, actually. Mostly one day. And we have our swimming suit because we're about to jump, but not from here. Come on, other way.
Wait.
Over here. Come on, follow me. Where are you? I'm down here. Over here. Look, over here.
Okay.
And ba-boom. We're going to be jumping off from this cliff. You know what? Or should we jump from the highest part? Should we jump from the highest part, guys?
I fall down.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't subscribe to him. He has too much subscribers. Yeah, if you guys want to. And it's their decision, by the way. I'm going to instead jump from here.
That's too low.
No, from here.
Oh, so a person's here.
Oh, I want to adopt her. She's cute.
Pink.
Is it a girl? Oh, yeah, it is. No, jump from up here. Hey, get off.
I'm jumping.
I'm going to jump from the top.
Saying the shortcut.
Because why not? Okay, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, comment down below what's your favorite color. No, I almost fell.
You had the apple.
I almost fell. Are you ready? When I say go, 3, 2,
wait.
Tell me. And I'm eating some food. And it's really nice.
Wait,
how do you do the backflip?
No. I'm not doing the backflip.
I'm gonna do it.
It will take so long to find.
Oh, that okay.
3.
I'm gonna do it.
3, 2, 1. Ah!
Wait.
I did it.
Damn, did it.
Rate it 1 to 10 in the comments.
Yeah. I kind of messed up in mine, so I'm gonna do it again.
Ew, look at the
I'm gonna do a front flip. 3. Hey! I'm gonna do backflip from here.
From there? Yeah.
Too low. Come on, I'm gonna go to the top.
Let's chill down. Let me get my glasses.
Let's chill. Come on, let's go and chill over here. What the?
Wait.
I wish I could have land her. Guys, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Who is that
He's
person?
so ugly.
Not for real. Hey, you tried to...
It's not the girl. There was another girl. I don't know where I was. Let's go and relax.
I'm relaxing.
I'm gonna get to relax because I am so tired.
I'm staying awake for 24 hours.
Well, I'm gonna try to do that too. I'm sorry, but today has been so fun because we did a sleepover with my cousin. So I did sleepover with two of my cousins. Like all my cousins, not all of them, 2 of my cousins and my brother. It was so fun. And she just left 3 minutes ago. I'll be back, guys. Wait. Okay, guys. So,
let's go camping.
we're gonna go camping. Okay.
Follow me.
Where are you? Where? Jump 2 times. I'll be back. Well, guys, the glitch happened and I have to leave the game.
No?
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave the game. I hate when the glitch happens. What? Oh my god. You guys cannot see my who I have. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm gonna block the other ones. Don't worry about them. Okay. Sorry. Just have 2 of my brothers. I'm just kidding. I have only one. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Well, I'm gonna go camping with my. Oh, never mind. Where Alex is. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Oh, you guys are on the other side. Guys, yeah. So I'm gonna be heading to the other side. So I want you guys to comment below. I'm right now eating some quesadillas. And comment down below what is your favorite food. My brother's favorite. What is your favorite food? On second, I agree. I like a lot of where are we gonna sleep? There's two.
No way.
What?
Dad, it's something new. I don't know what's that. You can fish. Actually, we're not camping. We are camping. Well, first we're fishing.
Wait, I'll grab the car, the camping car. We need the camping car.
Dang, I thought it was like a new gun.
We need the camping car. Because we're camping.
Hello, can you see I'm camping?
I got one of our camping cars.
Okay, this is heavy.
I'm gonna pretend I just came. So, guys,
I thought, unicorn glitter.
Yes. Did you say my name? Okay, guys, don't worry. My name
That's
is not Yare. It's another name. I just can't reveal it. Los vamos de campamento. So we are. Look, my car is that one. That car is mine, and I don't even know whose car is that. What?
Look, this looks like a gun, huh? But it's not.
Which one? Oh, can I have it?
Let me give
Brookhaven's Hot Springs. Oh, let's go fishing. Hey, how do you... Oh, there. So, I'm eating some quesadillas. And quesadilla, have you seen... Actually, never mind. I'm eating some quesadillas. Because why not?
What? They're trying to pack. What? Okay, I'm done. Fishing.
We gotta go to bed. I'm gonna put my PJs on.
Yeah,
Come. Time to go to bed. Try to take off my fat hat. Come. Put a bun on.
I'm done.
And put a messy bun. Because why not?
Oh, today was a fun day.
I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna sleep in my. I'm not gonna sleep there. I'm gonna sleep here.
I'm done.
Everybody's sleeping in their thing. Do you know that? No, they're not sleeping in the tent. Look, see? They're sleeping there. They're sleeping in their car. So that's what I'm gonna do because I'm one of those cool people. And I'm gonna sleep in my own bedroom. I'm just chillaxing.
I just sleeping.
I want to go in there. Just say, "Hola, ¿qué están haciendo?" I'm in. I'm gonna go in. Oh.
Hey, wake up. That person wake up.
No, he's not.
Hey, what?
What? I'm out of here after I get in trouble. Oh, I'm gonna go to my own van.
Please do not be the van locked. If it was not locked, I can drown it.
Oh, I better lock my car. Hey, yo.
You're not worried about that. I thought that was my sister.
I am your sister.
But I'm another sister.
You don't have another sister. You do, but you have a little sister.
Yeah, I do.
Not a big sister, and she's not playing with us because she's little. She's really... I can't tell you guys how old she is. Are you still hungry?
Yeah.
I don't want. I'm full. Maybe. If I finish this, because I also have to finish that. What the? I'm gonna say,
Oh, that was you?
Who said,
So who is this person? Where's the monster?
in here? Okay, sorry, guys. Well, I'm gonna go back in my van. I'm gonna go back to sleep because they're so annoying. I'm trying to... Oh my god, I'm gonna move Cam. I'm gonna go with them. Because you guys are so freaking annoying.
So let me go with you.
Get on the car. What the? Are you in?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, get out of my way, little people. Trying to drive and come. I'm gonna leave and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go get some shopping spring. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm going shopping. Who wants to go shopping?
Me.
Well, I'm gonna go
For
shopping.
now, I'm fishing.
Time to go shopping. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm running out of time, so we're just gonna do this part real quick. We're just gonna go to the groceries and then go back to our camping and then do part 2 because I am running out of time. I have to go quickly. We're like running out of time. I don't know if you even got a buddy, but I'm gonna need some ice cream, chips. Gotta get some healthy food too.
Okay, see you in part 2.
But not going to part 2 yet. We gotta finish all these stuff.
And comment below if you've seen the creepy clown.
Oh yeah, if you've seen the creepy clown
It
video.
was so fun.
Guys, by the way, I'm not stealing. Here's my credit card, whatever. I gotta go now, bye. And I'm running because I'm gonna be late. I have to even go to work because I have work. I'm gonna be late to work, but I'm there. Okay. Oops. I gotta get in the car and drive. Guys, are you in the car?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to leave you. I mean, do you want me to leave you?
Yes.
I'm sorry, but I forgot the way to home. I think it's this way.
Is this one?
Is it this way?
Is this one?
No, we're camping. We're still camping.
Oh, wait, I want to see if they made a new house.
Guess what? We're still camping. I am just heading. Okay, we are running out of time. I do not even want to drive. I'm going to teleport because why not?
Nope, they didn't add a new house. But the new update still.
Oh, wait, it's this way. I'm so dumb. Honey bunch, sugar plum. I am just going to be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. And I'm following this other one because why not? And I'm just waiting for because why not? I'm following this little. Don't know where she's going though. Oh, where are they going? Where are they going? Where are those little kids going?
I'm driving the ship for now. No, I'm
Where are the even? Where in the world are we going? Okay, all I see is them. But guys, I have to go. So
we're making part 2.
we'll make part 2 tomorrow, guys. Sorry about today. We're making part 2. Bye, guys. Love you. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah. Sorry, I paused it. Well, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I lost them. I literally lost them.
I think they left.
They probably did. Well, thank you guys for coming, watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, thing that thumbs up. I'm too legit. I can't talk anymore. We'll do part 2 tomorrow because it's literally so nighttime right now, and I'm running out of time. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Mwah.